In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text directly and creatively using various techniques. Underlining text is a basic yet essential tool in your formatting arsenal, allowing you to emphasize important words or phrases with ease. We'll start with the most straightforward methods and then explore a more creative approach for different visual effects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to underline text to suit your personal style and needs. Let's begin with the classic direct underline. If you already have text typed out, you'll want to start by highlighting it. However, if you haven't started typing yet, you can simply skip this initial step. Once your text is highlighted, look to the toolbar and locate the U symbol. This represents the underline function. Clicking this will immediately place an underline directly beneath your selected text. For those who prefer shortcuts, you can achieve the same result by pressing Ctrl+U on your keyboard. Another way to access this feature is through the Format menu. Simply navigate to Format, select Text, and then choose Underline. Each of these methods offers a quick way to achieve a direct underline, ensuring your text is emphasized with minimal effort. Now, let's explore an alternative method using a bottom border for a more stylized underline effect. This technique is useful if you prefer the underline not to be directly beneath the words themselves. First, highlight the text you're looking to underline. Once highlighted, head back to the Format menu. This time, select Paragraph Styles, followed by Borders and Shading. In the options that appear, choose the bottom border. This option places a line that extends across the whole page, providing a distinct visual difference from the standard underline that sits directly under your text. You can customize this border's width, opting for either a straight or dashed line, and even choose your preferred color to add a personal touch. Once you're satisfied with your choices, simply click Apply to set the changes. If you're interested in changing the color of your underline, it's important to note a key limitation. For direct underlines, you cannot change the underline color without simultaneously changing the text color. This means that the underline will always match the text color. However, if you're using a bottom border underline, you have the flexibility to customize the color independently. Return to the Borders and Shading option in the Format menu, where you'll find the border color option allowing you to pick a different hue. Finally, if you decide you no longer want an underline on your text, removal is as straightforward as its creation. Simply highlight the underlined text once more, and then either click the underline option on the toolbar, use the Ctrl+U keyboard shortcut again, or navigate back through the Format menu to deselect your underline choice. This will effectively remove any underline applied to your text. Now, armed with this knowledge, you can choose exactly how and where to emphasize your text, giving your documents the attention they deserve.